How to take care of outdoor plants through winter. Dry leaves are used as winter mulches to protect plants from freezing and thawing in areas in cold winters. Wood chips are often applied under trees and shrubs. The plastic mulch is now being adapted to home gardens. The film insulates the soil, prevents soil erosion, and reduces moisture evaporation. If you have several potted plants that must remain outdoors, position them close to your house and wrap the collective group with sheets of plastic packaging materials. After cutting the bubble wrap to size, wrap your plant and tape it closed. Move tender plants to a frost-free location, such as shed, garage, greenhouse, or indoors before the first frost.